What if one SQL command could delete your entire database table by accident? The delete statement removes rows from a table in PostgreSQL. It belongs to the DML family, data manipulation language, alongside select, insert, and update. What delete does not do is remove the table itself. The columns, indexes, and structure all stay intact. Only the row data is removed. To target specific rows, add a her clause. For example, delete from users her ID equals 5 removes only that one row, leaving everything else untouched. You can filter by any condition, a date range, a status value, or any column. Her is what makes delete precise. Here is the critical warning. Delete with no her clause removes every single row in the table. The structure stays intact, but your data is completely gone. This is one of the most painful mistakes in SQL. Always double-check your her condition, or run a select first to preview exactly which rows will be affected. Delete is a DML operation, which means it participates in transactions. If you catch a mistake before committing, you can roll it back. Compare that to truncate. Faster for clearing all rows, but harder to roll back. Or drop table, which removes the table structure entirely. Delete removes rows from a table. Use here to be precise, and transactions are your safety net. Keep practicing with Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.